So today I am going to show you my recipe for fabulous guacamole. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's tart, and it's altogether super yummy. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start pushing things around here because I am going to show you how I'm gonna prep my avocados. So cutting the avocado, super duper easy, easy, easy. And what I do is I make sure, first of all, that I wash my produce before I do anything. That's a big must-have. I usually just take my knife, score the top of it like this, work my way around, twist it, voila. So easy. Take my knife, hit that avocado pit, and it just comes right out. Now the easiest way to get these out of the skin is just take your spoon. All right, so as you can see, I have all of my avocados here and I have my potato masher. Now I know a lot of people like to mash these up with a fork, but I find that this gives me still enough chunks, and it is the way that I do it. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I am going to add in my white onion, super easy. I'm going to add in my Sonya sweet and spicy that's been chopped up. This is the key ingredient, everyone. And then I'm gonna just add a little bit at first of my cilantro, maybe just a little bit more. Got my fresh lime, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put about half of a lime in there. And then I'm gonna add in just a little bit of my lemon, because lemon is, oops, you don't want pits in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Gonna add a little bit of pepper. Just to try and see how this goes. Hey, another successful recipe on the mark here today on Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try because I know it's gonna be great because this is my favorite recipe. Let's try this out. Perfect. The jalapenos in there, if you usually get guacamole, you usually get super fine raw jalapenos, which are fine, but this is gonna take your guacamole to the next level. It is sweet, I mean, it's amazing. You've got the beautiful flavors of the avocado and your citrus in your lime and your lemon. And the color is so beautiful, and it's just so appealing, and it's completely satisfying. Oh, I cannot get enough of this. That's it, everyone. Take care. Have yourself a great rest of the day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.